Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage inspired home styling ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage inspired home styling is a style that brings the charm, warmth and character of past eras into modern homes. Instead of making a room look outdated, vintage decor blends old beauty with comfortable modern living. Here are some beautiful tips for creating a cozy and elegant vintage-inspired home style. Start with soft vintage colors. Choose warm and calming shades such as cream, shades green, soft blue, warm white, beige, dusty rose. These colors create a timeless and relaxing vintage atmosphere. Use distressed or rustic wood. Vintage homes often feature furniture with aged finishes and natural textures. Wooden coffee tables, rustic shelves, weathered cabinets, farmhouse dining tables. Natural wood adds warmth and character. Old and new furniture. Combine vintage style pieces with modern furniture so the room feels balanced and comfortable. For example, use vintage chairs with simple modern lighting. Add distressed cabinets beside clean neutral walls. Add vintage wall decor. Beautiful wall decorations can instantly change the mood of a room. Antique mirrors, botanical prints, vintage clocks. Use warm lighting. Soft lighting creates a nostalgic and welcoming atmosphere. Candlelights, candle holders, fairy lights, brush or crystal lamps, table lamps. Warm yellow lighting feels much cozier than bright white lighting. Layer different textures. Vintage inspired spaces feel richer when different materials are combined. Wood, metal, lace, velvet, wicker baskets, crochet or linen. Texture adds depth and comfort to the room. Use thrifted or antique accessories. Small decorative items can make the biggest difference. Brass trays, old clocks, vintage frames, antique vases, rustic baskets, porcelain figurines. These pieces help your home feel unique and collected over time. Create cozy corners. A vintage home should feel inviting. Add a reading chair, use soft blankets, include a small side table, place a warm lamp nearby. Decorate with books and candles. Small cozy corners add personality to your home. Add soft window treatments. Windows can completely change the mood of a room. Floral drapes, linen curtains, crochet curtain tapex, sheer lace curtains. Soft fabrics allow natural light to create a dreamy vintage feeling. Decorate with old books. Vintage books instantly add character. Stick them on coffee tables, place them on shelves, use them beside candles or vases. Choose books with edged covers or neutral colors. They work beautifully in living rooms and bedrooms. Include natural materials. Vintage decor feels more relaxed when natural textures are included. Wood, rattan, stone, clay, wicker, cotton. These neutral materials bring warmth and softness into your home. Use decorative trays and containers. Small decorative groupings look beautiful in vintage homes, like brass trays, ceramic bowls, glass bottles, wooden boxes, vintage stands. Focus on comfort. Vintage-inspired homes should feel peaceful and welcoming. Use soft cushions, add layered blankets, choose comfortable furniture, create relaxing reading space, use calming colors. Comfort is one of the most important parts of vintage decorating. Don't make everything match. Vintage style looks more natural when pieces are slightly different. Mix chair styles. Use varied textures. Combine antique and modern accessories. Blend faded colors with darker woods. This creates a relaxed and collected aesthetic instead of a showroom-like. Use layered rugs. Layering rugs create a cozy vintage atmosphere. Place a smaller patterned rug over a larger neutral rug. Use faded Persian style rugs, dry soft cotton or oven rugs for cottage charm. Layered textures make rooms feel comfortable and lived in. Decorate with vintage mirrors. Mirrors add elegance and light to vintage spaces. Mirrors like gold or brush frames, distressed wooden mirrors, oval or ornate mirror designs, antique vanity mirrors. Mirrors also make small rooms feel larger and brighter. Style coffee tables simply. Vintage decor looks best when styling feels relaxed. Stick old books, add a candle, place a small flower vase, use a wooden tray, include ceramic decorations. Avoid overcrowding the table. For a vintage-inspired dining area, use lace or linen tablecloths. Display ceramic dishes, add candle holders, use wooden dining chairs, decorate with fresh flowers. Small details create a cozy farmhouse and cottage feeling. Choose timeless furniture shapes. Classic furniture styles work beautifully in vintage interiors. Carved armchairs, topped sofas, wooden cabinets, round tables, iron bed frames. Furniture with soft curves often feels more elegant and nostalgic. Display collections beautifully. Vintage homes often feature small, meaningful collections. Old bottles, vintage clocks, ceramic pictures, handmade crochet items, teacups. Display them neatly on shelves. Use scent to create atmosphere. A cozy vintage home is not only visual, it also feels comforting. Lavender candles, vanilla scents, cinnamon fragrance, dried flower sachets, essential oil diffusers. Warm scents make the home feel relaxed and inviting. Add character to interiors. Your entrance can set the tone for the entire home. Vintage console table, rustic mirror, oven baskets, a small lamp, floral arrangement. Even a small entryway can feel charming and welcoming. Incorporate romantic details. Soft romantic touches are common in vintage interiors. Ruffled cushions, floral bedding, lace accents, delicate candelabras, soft draped fabrics. This detail create a dreamy courtesan-inspired atmosphere. Use open display cabinets. Glass front cabinets are perfect for vintage decorating. Display teacups and dishes, errands books and candles. Show handmade decorations. Organize linens beautifully. This adds elegance without feeling too formal. Bring nature indoors. Nature plays an important role in vintage-inspired homes. Olive branches, oil flowers, potted herbs, hanging plants, dried flowers. Natural greenery keeps the decor fresh and balanced. Create a relaxing bedroom atmosphere. A vintage bedroom should feel calm and peaceful. Soft layered bedding, warm bedside lighting, neutral colors, vintage style dressers, crochet blankets. Simple and cozy styling work best. Embrace imperfections. Vintage decor becomes more beautiful when it feels authentic. Slightly worn furniture, handmade textures, faded finishes, used wood, collected decor pieces. Imperfections add warmth and character instead of making the home feel overly perfect. Add vintage-inspired wallpaper. Wallpaper can instantly transform a room. Tiny floral prints, tall patterns, faded botanical designs, soft striped wallpaper, antique-inspired motifs. Use wallpaper on one accent wall for a balanced look. Thanks for watching the video.